And now we're watching the very rare addle-brained woodpecker. Yes, so called because well, I think you get the picture. Anyway, very rare sighting. Very excited about this. Yes, this is Dr. Allard again. Haven't heard from me in a long time, I know, but yes, we're very excited about this sighting. Can't hardly believe it. I heard the noise as I was burning some burdocks in the backyard, and there it goes again. Sorry for the movement of the camera. I have it magnified as much as possible so that I don't scare off the addle-brained woodpecker that we are witnessing right before our eyes. I don't know. This could be the beginning of a big year for me. I don't know. But we'll find out. We've gotten certain documentation on this sighting anyway. Well, that's all for now. Cheerio.